In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the ERPNext logo. If you're customizing your ERPNext system for your company, updating the logo is a simple but important step. It helps your portal look professional and aligned with your brand. I'll walk you through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, make sure you're logged into your ERPNext account and that you have the right permissions to change website settings. Once you're in, look for the search bar at the top of the interface. This search bar is a powerful tool in ERPNext. It lets you quickly jump to different pages and settings without clicking through multiple menus. Click on the search bar to activate it, then start typing website settings. As you type, ERPNext will suggest options that match your search. Look for the entry labeled website settings in the results. When you see it, click on it to open the website settings page. After the website settings page loads, take a moment to familiarize yourself with what you're seeing. This area controls how your ERPNext website and portal look to your users and customers. Now, scroll a bit if needed and look for the section labeled App Logo or similar. This is where you can upload or change the logo that appears in your ERPNext interface. Next to the App Logo field, you'll see a button labeled Attach. Go ahead and click on Attach. This will open a dialog box where you can choose how to upload your new logo file. In the upload dialog, ERPNext usually gives you a few different options. For example, you can upload a file directly from your computer, choose an existing file from the system, or sometimes even paste a link. Select the method that works best for you. Most of the time, you'll choose the option to upload from your computer, then browse to the logo image you want to use. A PNG file with a transparent background and a reasonable size is usually a good choice to keep things looking sharp. Once you've selected your logo file, click on the Upload button. Wait a moment for the upload to complete, and you should see a preview of your new logo in the App Logo section. Finally, don't forget to save your changes on the website settings page so your new logo is applied across your ERPNext site.